Class is now in session. Today, we're diving into the secrets of growing revenue with Marketing Copilot's growth formula. Let's break it down, shall we? 1B times the total of 3T times 3A. So what does that mean? Well, you need one documented buyer persona. It isn't just any company profile. It's a deep dive into the heart and mind of your ideal buyer. Then, for each buyer persona that we have, you must have 3 buyer triggers and 3 attributable touch points. The buyer triggers are that eureka moment that make your buyers realize they need a solution like yours. And for each buying trigger, you need an attributable touch point that can be tracked and measured in order to understand whether they're really connecting with your business value. This is the beginning of the formula, and it's the cornerstone to understanding your audience and how to reach them effectively. Now, if we add on 3P plus 3I plus 3E, let's break down what that means. You need 3 partners to co-market with. This includes co-branding a presentation, webinar, a video, a campaign with another company. And through co-marketing, your content gets shared, not only with your audiences, but with your brand partners as well. It's going to enable you to increase your reach and really start to add credibility to why your value matters. In fact, 54% of companies say partnerships drive more than 20% of their revenue. Now, we also need those influencers. They're the faces behind the brands that people trust and follow. And I know a lot of people feel that LinkedIn has become cluttered and noisy. It will be the best channel for B2B marketing this year. People want to buy from people, not companies. And the number one place they go to learn about someone is LinkedIn. So you want those influencers on LinkedIn, plus 3 events. Those events could be webinars, conferences. It's your time to shine and connect with the real world. Are you feeling enlightened yet? 1B times 3T times 3A plus 3P plus 3I plus 3E. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Your homework? Dive into our full guide, which breaks it all down for you, and the workbook that goes with it. This is how you're going to master growth in your business this year. And trust me, it's one homework assignment you will be thrilled to complete. Class dismissed. Oh, thank you. Cheers.